You've been training for months, but your pull-ups haven't improved. Your push-ups still feel weak, and that muscle-up, still a dream. Here's the truth. You're probably making the same 3 mistakes that keep 90% of calisthenics beginners stuck at the same level. But today, that ends. I'm going to show you exactly what's holding you back and how to fix it in the next 7 days. By the end of this video, you'll know the exact mistakes sabotaging your progress, and you'll have a simple 7-day action plan to start seeing real strength gains immediately. Let's get into it. Mistake number 1. You're rushing your reps. Listen, I get it. You want to pump out as many reps as possible. But here's what's actually happening. You're using momentum instead of muscle. When you swing your body up during pull-ups or bounce through push-ups, you're cheating yourself out of real strength gains. Here's the fix. Slow it down. Take 2 seconds to go up, pause for 1 second at the top, then 2 seconds down. This time under tension is what actually builds strength. Your muscles need to work through the entire range of motion, not just half of it. Mistake number 2. You're skipping progressions. You see someone doing a 1-arm pull-up and think, I'm going to try that today. Stop right there. Calisthenics is all about progressions. You can't skip steps and expect results. If you can't do 10 perfect pull-ups, you have no business trying muscle-ups yet. If regular push-ups are still challenging, don't jump to handstand push-ups. Here's what you need to do. Master the basics first. Can you do 15 clean pull-ups, 30 solid push-ups, 20 dips? No? Then that's your focus. Build your foundation before you try advanced moves. Your body will thank you, and your progress will actually speed up. Mistake number 3. You're training the same way every single day. Your muscles adapt quickly. If you're doing the same workout every day, your body gets comfortable, and when your body is comfortable, it stops growing. The solution? Progressive overload. Every week, you need to challenge yourself more. Add an extra rep. Increase your time under tension. Try a harder variation. Move to a more difficult progression. And here's the key. Rest is when you actually get stronger. Your muscles don't grow during the workout. They grow during recovery. So train hard, but also rest smart. Now, here's your 7-day action plan to fix all 3 mistakes. Days 1, 3, 5, and 7, focus on slow, controlled reps. Pick 3 basic exercises: pull-ups, push-ups, and dips. Do 4 sets each using that 2-1-2 tempo I mentioned. Quality over quantity. Days 2, 4, and 6, active recovery. Light stretching, mobility work, or a walk. Let your muscles repair and rebuild. Every day, track your progress. Write down your reps, film yourself, watch your form, make adjustments. By day 7, you'll feel the difference. Your reps will be cleaner, your muscles will be stronger, and you'll finally understand what real calisthenics training feels like. So here's what I want you to do right now. Pick one of these mistakes you're making and commit to fixing it this week. Drop a comment below and tell me which mistake you're going to tackle first. I read every single comment, and I'll help you troubleshoot. And if you want more calisthenics tips like this, hit that subscribe button. I drop new videos every week to help you build real functional strength. Now, stop watching and start training. You've got this.